channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the before of our bathroom and how we transformed it. So this is our bathroom before. It was this hideous, ugly yellow color. The whole house was kind of this same color. The last owner loved yellow, but we hated it, so we had to do something about it. So I'm going to show you guys the before, and then I'm also going to insert a picture now that will show you what the bathroom looked like before we moved in. These are the tools that we use. I got this package from Amazon. I can link it below, but I think it was like $6. But you're gonna need the scraper. We used this one at first, but we ended up liking the blue scraper a little bit better. And then there's also an X-Acto knife in there that you're going to need. But I want to say this project was not easy. This was the hardest DIY we've ever done. It took us 2 weeks because we stopped and then we started again, and it was just a hot mess. But I like the way it came out. I think you guys will like it too. Come up with some more. All the way to the edge.
All the way down.
I'm just looking over here and you have a big gap. I think it's important to note that this is a two-person job because you kind of need somebody to pull like the backing off of this peeling stick while the other person kind of pushes it on and smooths it out with the smoother. Again, this was not my favorite DIY. My husband and I were over it, but we really liked the way it came out.
Hold it out like further. Yeah.
So next I used 1x8 to cut for my wood to cut, and I cut it at home. But if you don't have a miter saw, you can get these cut at Home Depot for free. And I forgot, I think I had 2 feet were my shelves. And then I decided to spray paint some old brackets that I had from my husband's house before we got married. I had bought these from him from IKEA years ago, and I just decided to spray paint them and use them for our bathroom. And I used the hammer spray paint because it covers up any and all blemishes. And then now you see me staining, and after I cut the wood, I sanded it a little bit just to make it smooth, and then I used provincial stain. I had a brain freeze there. And then now you will just see me. I am just putting anchors in the wall just because I don't want the shelves to come off the walls. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just securing those in there. And then now you just see me. And I did level all of this stuff off camera. I just didn't want this video to be too long. So if you have questions, just put them below. I really love the way the shelves turned out. I'm really excited about it. Okay, so here is the final result. So the shelf is up here. So I may change what's up there. I'm just not sure. That I just kind of shopped my house and saw what I had around the house, and that works right now. I added the wood pieces though because my husband likes rustic and I like more of a like luxurious look. So I try to mix both, and that's how I came up with the gold and the stained wood. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you guys next week with another house to home renovation. Thanks for watching. Bye.